Hey guys, this is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the praise and worship chorus of Give Thanks. Give Thanks. Very easy song to learn, so let's get started. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks. Okay, I'm playing this song using the C chords progression. I'm placing the capo on the 2nd fret to just kind of raise the key up. That'll put it in the key of D major. You can play this song in the key of D major, but I like using the chord progression of C. We're going to be using the chords of C major, G major, A minor, E minor, F, and back to C, and then D flat, and G. So that's all the chords that we'll be using, and then we'll be using D minor on the chorus and the tag as well. Quick review of the chords. To play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, and then finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on fret number 3 on the 5th string. You play all strings but the very top E string. That'll be C major. Okay, and then for G major, place finger number 1 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then your pinky finger on the very 1st string, also on the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. It's G major. Okay, and then you want to place finger number 1 again on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings but the very top E string. Very beautiful chord, A minor. Okay, and to play the E minor, just lift off on your 1st finger, keep these 2 fingers together, and then just move each finger up to the strings up above. Okay, to strings 4 and 5 on the 2nd fret, and then you can strum all strings, and that'll make the E minor. Okay, now we'll look at F major. To play this chord, you'll bar strings 1 and 2 of the 1st fret, then place finger number 2 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, and then just strum all the bottom 4 strings. F major. You can use the bar chord if you'd like. That's kind of like the E-shaped chord. Move it up fret and then bar all strings on fret number 1. It's another way to play F major. I just like using a simple little open chord there of F major. Okay, and then the other chord is B flat. Just kind of playing the B flat as an open chord. Just place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 1st fret, and then finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 3rd fret, finger number 3 on the string number 3 of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 4, your little finger, on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then just strum the bottom 4 strings. That's played in the B flat. So that's like playing like the A. Just move it up 1 fret. You can either bar all the strings or just place your finger on string number 1 and play the bottom 4 strings. B flat. Okay? And that'll make up all the chords for the verse. So if you look at the verse, a chord progression, we'll play C, G, A minor, and E minor. And then we'll play F, C, B flat, and G. And we'll repeat that chord progression 2 times. So it'll go like this. And I'm just using simple down-up strokes. Down, up. Just kind of keep it a steady, smooth rhythm, okay? Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Okay, and then it goes into the chorus. And on the chorus progression, we're going to be using E minor, and then back to A minor, and then we're going to play D minor. Okay, to play D minor, you place finger number 1 on the 1st string of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and strum the bottom 4 strings. That's D minor. Okay, so the chord progression, if we look at that on the chorus, it's E minor, then A minor, D minor, G, and C, and then back to A minor, and then B flat, and G. Okay, and we'll just repeat that chord progression also 2 times to make up the chorus. Okay, so if we look at the chorus, it goes, and now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Okay, and then you can go back and repeat the verse another time, and the chorus another time as well. You'll sing through the chorus, both the verse and the chorus 2 times each, but you can sing through the whole thing as many times as you'd like. But it's very, very beautiful praise and worship song. And then if you'd like to play a tag on the end, I like kind of playing, just repeating give thanks 3 times using the chord progression of C and D minor. I just go, give thanks, give thanks, give thanks. Okay, if you like this video and you'd like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button at the end of this video. If you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. Appreciate all my current subscribers as well. Thank you for listening and joining me today. So have a great day. God bless you.